whole bunch of them congregating. There's Dodo. Hi Dodo, Guinea bird, Guinea rooster. And there's the other two darker guineas. We have white ones inside the garden, but you won't be able to see them right now. Look at all three of them. They're so vain. They're always looking at themselves in the mirror. Okay, now I'm going to show you this huge big bird that we have. And he's a rooster. He is so huge. He's up here by the big pumpkin. Hello. I bet you he's trying to peck the pumpkin. There he is. See the big one? Okay. There, huge, big bird. Look at that, right there. Oh, here comes everybody else. Maybe they think I have something for them.